Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA driver crash and game freeze solutions. So here's what you gotta do. First, you want to go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this MSInfo32. Once it opens, you wanna look for baseboard product and find your motherboard. In my case, is B450, and you can copy this into the Chrome. I already know it, but you want to copy this for your motherboard, so B450 Gaming Pro. And after I find it out, you want to click on it. You want to go to support, now drivers and downloads. You want to go to drivers again, and you want to download the latest chipset driver, which in my case came out like last month. You want to download it and install it, and you can click here to open it immediately, and then just simply it will extract it and run it after you install it. Now, the next thing you do after you download the chipset driver is type in DDU, and it says display driver uninstaller, and you want to click on it, and you want to download the latest version. And after it's downloaded, you want to open it and run it, extract, and then you want to run it, and you want to click on it and click yes. And after you open this, you want to click here to select the device. In this case, we want to uninstall the GPU driver, and then it will recognize it, and you want to click on clean and restart, and it's highly recommended, and it will like uninstall it fully. And after you're done with that, you want to go to the NVIDIA site and download the driver from there. And after you download the driver, it should work properly. The next thing you want to do is, if you don't have installed the NVIDIA app, you can go to Google and type whatever GPU you're using. So type in 3090 in my case, drivers, and you want to click on download the latest official Game for drivers. Click accept here, and you want to click on manual search and type in here whatever GPU you have, and you want to find Windows 64-bit or whatever you're using. And now it will give you an option for game brightness driver or the studio driver. Now, if you don't want to update your drivers every week or something, if you don't have that much space on your hard drive or SSD or whatever, you can download the studio driver. Also, if you're not playing that many games, if you're doing something else, then studio drivers will be fine. And if you're playing a lot of games, then you can download the game ready drivers, which released like a few days ago. And after you click on view, you can download them, or you can get the NVIDIA app, which looks like this. And in NVIDIA app, you can go to drivers and download the driver. And you can also delete the NVIDIA audio because it causes a bunch of issues with different games and stuff. So you can go to search, type in device manager once it opens, and you want to scroll till you find sound, video, and game controllers, and till you find here NVIDIA high definition audio, and you want to right click on it and then uninstall it. And after you restart your PC, the Windows will automatically switch to either Realtek or whatever else audio driver you have installed. And that's it for this video. That's how you fix the NVIDIA driver crash and game freeze. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.